And this is what, September the 30th, I think?
September, I think tonight's the 29th.
2018.
We haven't signed our papers quite yet, but we have permission to be here. And hopefully we'll be signing our papers this coming week. But Jarrod's on vacation for a week, and we are just gonna kick it in high gear.
Bringing Bandit and Charlie onto our property for the first time. Bandit, welcome home. This is our home. Oh, are you so excited to get out and run and play? Go ahead, Bandit. Bandit, we're home! We're home!
We're at our house. Tell sweet mom and papi we're at our house. We don't have it's not in our name quite yet, but we can be here doing work all week, and Jarrod's got the week off, so yay! So that's what we're gonna be doing this week. And I think we're gonna try to move the camp trailer tomorrow afternoon after church. So love you guys.
All right, so first day moving. We're doing a lot of cleanup, and it's about to get real. We're tearing everything down to the subfloor. So there's flooring all throughout here, but I think it's gonna come up pretty easy. It's not nailed down, it's just the, only the flooring. So, oh, it's loud. Oh yeah, this will be up and down. Yes. Get rid of this nasty, stinky floor. You're good. Talk about a floating floor. All right, bedroom's done.
There's Katie working on her house. How exciting is this?
Love it.
And this is what, September the 30th, I think?
September, I think tonight's the 29th.
2018.
We haven't signed our papers quite yet, but we have permission to be here. And hopefully we'll be signing our papers this coming week. But Jarrod's on vacation for a week, and we are just gonna kick it in high gear and get a ton done.
There's Toby. He's helping too. Aren't you,
Wearing
Toby?
your working gloves, honey?
Are you going to help Mama? Oh, look how much prettier that looks.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh, good job. Is that heavy?
Good job. Throw it outside. We'll throw it outside.
Good job. You are such a big helper, honey. Let me see. You okay? Say I'm okay, Mama.
Oh, here, let me kiss it. Closet is gone. Now the room is much bigger. Let's go check out the bathroom. What are you doing?
Having fun.
Oh yeah. Ripping tile down. This bathroom's gonna be gutted before we know it. Yeah. What a man!
He's a workhorse.
Oh yeah! It's kind of fun actually. What a boss.
I'm so excited. I came here yesterday to this collector's market and found two lights that I loved and wanted so bad. I'm so excited. So I came back today and took them up front to pay for them. And the guy's like, do you want more? And I was like, well, how many more do you have? And he says, I have two more. And I was able to get a small discount and save $5 each. But look at this, ready?
Wow.
Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they so cool? I don't know where they're gonna go, but I love them so much. That's so exciting, babe.
4 of them.
Aren't they beautiful though?
They are cool.